intro, but we're here at May Bunga Rainforest Park. Say hi, Aiden! Aiden, say hi! Ah, bagong gising. Are you excited to see Kuya Jacob? Yeah! Oh, kasama namin si Jacob and si Luis. Say hi! Hi! So, we're still waiting for them and grabe, tagal ko na hindi nakakapunta dito. Last punta ko ata, nagja-jogging ako with a friend and pandemic days yun. Ah, you want a balloon? Gusto niya doon ng balloon, guys. Ayan. You want? Ito na nga, guys. Nabudol na tayo. 50 pesos na balloon. Pinili niya car. Aiden. Aiden. Kit. Jacob! Jacob! Balloon! Wala, inaabot niya. Hi, Beshi!
Hi, vlog! Pusita!
Wow! Balloon!
Kakaabot lang, baka lumipad.
Kaya nga eh. Let's go inside na. Ayan, oh, the butterfly house. Ito naman yung pang-event place nila.
Jacob na mumulan.
Oo nga eh. Yes! Ang kikit yung dalawa. Oh, let's go, let's go. Eden, look oh. Dinosaur. Ayan pa, meron pa doon. Grabe, ang sarap dito. Mahangin-hangin kasi madaming trees. Ayan. So, ito yung Rave Amaze. Ayan. So, yung price is 10 pesos. Ito siya. Wow, what's that? Let's go. Let's go. Ang ganda dito.
What does the cat say, Aiden? Meow meow. Kit mo.
Sorry, namumula-mula ang baby. Aiden, are you happy? Yes. Oh, let's eat. You want to eat? No, okay. Mama's hungry. Hanap tayo ng kainan. May kainan daw dito, guys. Grabe, tagal ko na hindi pupunta dito. Na parang ang daming nagbago. Here naman ang picnic area. Ay, may kiddie playland dito? Dito? Ah, ito.
Yan siya, yan. Yung open doon.
Ah, ayun. O, sige, pupunta tayo mamaya dyan. And here's the Rainforest Adventure Experience. Ayan yung pool. Dito daw banda. Ayan. Ay, sorry. Ayan. Yes, baby. Gusto niya. Dito na ating exit. Dito tayo punta. Yes, Aiden. What do you want? Ano yun? Ano yun? Water? Yung water? Halika. Ito, pet park. Wow. Ano yan? Food. Ayun, tara. Gutom na ako. Let's go. Kain tayo. So, dito kami kakain. May Korean corn dog, hot dog, tapos may mga hamburger sandwiches. Pero ito yung order ko. French fries with fried chicken. And ito, umorder si Aiden. Ito, soft candy. Is it yummy? Yes. Ay, eat lang, eat. Oh, wait lang daw, sabi ni Kuya Jacob. Ang daming choices. Nakakatuwa. Ayan o, meron nga din silang ramen here. Ayan, tapos may sizzling steak pa. Ito yung order ni Luis, mozzarella. Parang sarap. Mozzarella toast. Oh, ayan na si Kuya Jacob. Go! Go run! Ay, ano yun? Ano yun? Anyari? Ano yung gusto? Ano ba yung hawak mo? Ah, okay. Nung pala kayo pumuntay ka dito.
Come, Jacob.
Gusto niya pumunta doon. Eh, ano ba yung pool? Eh, then, sorry. O, next time, sige. Yayain mo papa mo dito. French fries with fried chicken. Kain. Gusto nilang pumunta sa pool. Silip lang kami, guys. Yan siya. Madami na nagsiswim. Yes, baby. You want to swim? Yeah. Say hello. Hello daw, hello. Cute. Oh, next time, mag-swim tayo dyan. Next time, okay? You want to swim also, Jacob? Cute. Okay, let's swim another day, okay? No? Why? Eat muna tayo ng fries and chicken. Let's go na. Let's go back. Ganda. Kiddie playground. Kaso, temporary close sila. Due to heat wave. Eh, ka na. Let's go. Wait, usog kayo, usog. Come. Ay. Okay lang po. Ah, thank you. Pwede pala.
Ano lang po nila to? Paglabas lang po.
Okay po, salamat po. Oh, open. Oh, go na, go. Thank you po. Wow! Yay! O go! Play, play, play! Buti binuksan ni Kuya. Ano nangyari?
Sabi yung mama ka. Sabi, di ba ganito yun? Yung panonoorin ng mga nanay yung mga anak.
Oo, sa ibang bansa. Go! Okay, okay. Sige. Naika na, naika na. Come na, come. Ha? Oh, let's go na, let's go. Oh, it's okay, it's okay. Mama's here. Okay, okay. Adi ka na, ika na. Aiden, Aiden, here. Mama's here. It's okay. Ayun na, oh. Ayun na. Yay! Oh, diba? Yay. Very good. How about Jacob? 1, 2, 3, go! Good job. Hi, Aiden. Aiden. Go, go. Beep, beep ka, beep, beep.
Slide ang pupuntahan yan, boy.
Hello. Cute, cute. You happy? Oh, go down. Be careful. Can you do it? Okay, good job. Jacob. Ayun na si Kuya Jacob. Ang cute nila tumakbo, ang bilis. Oo, are you okay? Okay, be careful. Go, Eden, go! Go! Ayun na si Kuya Jacob! Oh! Very good. Yay! Eden here. Eden, no, sa slide lang. 1, 2, 3, go! Good job! Again! Bye, Kiddie Playland! Let's go! Let's go somewhere naman. Eden, say bye! Say bye! Bye! We're here at Tea Light, Hampton Gardens. And I ordered ano lang, winter melon milk tea. Eden! Oh, give it to Kuya Jacob na. Oh, give it to Kuya Jacob na. Give it to Kuya Jacob. Eden, that's Kuya Jacob's car. Give it to Kuya Jacob na. Oh, we'll buy a car. Oh, sige, give it to Kuya Jacob na. Then let's buy a car. Okay? I'll give it to Kuya Jacob. Please, give it to Kuya Jacob na. That's Kuya Jacob's. Oh, let's buy a new car. You want? Yes. I'll give it back to Kuya Jacob. Good job. Sabi ko, nandun to batang to. Kuya Jacob, can we borrow? Please. No daw talaga. Oh, what do you say to Kuya Jacob? Say please. Uy, ano na? Aiden, Jacob. Cute, cute. Sa labas kami, guys, while waiting sa orders. Aiden! Where's Jacob? Jacob, hello! Cute, cute. Aiden, here lang. Ah. Jacob, here. Oh, run, run, run. Run, 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 run. Dito na yung order. Sinigang na baboy, mango shake, tofu, and then rice. All complete. Kain.
I won't use it to you.
Aiden. Hi. Let's eat. Say bye. Hello, nakauwi kami ng 9:30. So ngayon mga 11 o'clock na. Sorry, ngayon ako mag-end ng vlog kasi nag-ayos ako and all. So si Aiden, ayan, tulog na siya. Napagod siya today and super nag-enjoy kasi ngayon. So before I end this video, of course, I would love to thank my best friend and Jacob sa araw na ito. Sobrang thank you kasi parang nag-unwind kami sa labas with the kids and nag-enjoy. Hindi lang yung mga kids nag-enjoy, syempre ang mga mommies. And kahit super kulit nila, at least nakapag-enjoy kami. And first time kasi ni Aiden din pumunta ng rainforest dito sa may bunga. So, nakakatuwa naman at nag-enjoy siya, lalo na dun sa may playground. Tapos, pansin ko, gustong-gusto niya dun sa pool. Kasi yun, let's see, 'di ba kung pwede na din ba yung mga ganung age. Kasi 2 years old pa lang siya. So, let's see. Ayun, and nag-enjoy lang din ako kasi ang laki ng pagbabago ng rainforest. So, ayun, nag-enjoy talaga kami ngayon. And I hope hindi lang ito yung last for this month. Many more to come. So, now, mag-end na ako ng aking vlog. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope na nagustuhan nyo tong content na to. If ever meron kayong questions about this vlog, you can comment below. And also nga pala sa mga gusto mag-suggest ng mga videos, kasi ako din naubusan na ng ideas, char. Pero hindi, di ba, malay nyo, meron kayong gustong ipagawa sa akin or any product review, yes, pwede kayo mag-comment below. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Mommy Pammy. I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye!